my beloved mostachones. Today we bring you a recipe that every Mexican loves. Well, if you don't like it, it's because you're failing as a Mexican. Seriously, they're delicious tacos al pastor. I mean, just saying it already makes my mouth water. They're a delight and nothing more. What I like most is that they're super easy. Very easy. Let's look at the ingredients. 2.5 kilos of pork. This is dressed with pork Milanese. But you can also use other meat that you want. But this is the traditional one for tacos al pastor. For our marinade, we are going to use 8 guajillo chilies, 3 ancos, 1 large garlic clove, and 1/8 of an onion. Also for the marinade, we are going to use 2 whole black peppers, 2 cloves, 2 bay leaves, and a pinch of cumin. We also have 1/4 of apple cider vinegar, although it can be the vinegar that you like the most or whatever you have. White apple, pineapple, whatever you want. To serve for the garnish or to prepare them, we have chopped onion. Lemon, cilantro, we also have pineapple. I will not tell you the quantity of these ingredients, because it depends on how much you like it. Or how you prefer to prepare them. The first step is going to be in a small pot with water. We are going to put it on the fire to start heating, and we are going to put all the ingredients of the marinade except for the vinegar, the chilies, the garlic, the onion, and the spices too. After it boils, we are going to leave it for 5 minutes. From 3 to 5 minutes, 4 minutes have passed. We are going to turn off the heat and we are going to let it cool. All this has cooled. Then we are going to put it in the blender and we are going to grind everything very well. We are going to put a little bit of this water. We are going to add a tablespoon of salt to the blender and the vinegar. That's it. See how thick it is. We are going to empty this all into our meat, and then we are going to give the meat a lot of love because we are going to massage it so that all this penetrates very well and is good. How could you say well marinated? We are going to leave this since we have smeared it all and we have rubbed each steak. We are going to leave it for 5 hours minimum, or preferably all night. To massage our meat, we're going to put a cling film or a lid on it, and as I told you, at least 5 hours in the refrigerator overnight. Our meat was already marinating all night. We're going to remove the cling film, and for we're going to put our meat in a pan or on a griddle, but I'm going to cut it into little pieces. You want to leave the eyes whole. Go ahead, for more convenience, and well, I don't know. It seems to me that it's more delicious like this. I'm going to cut them. Another option to make the tacos, or rather the meat, is to slice onion into half slices, and you can stir it here while you light the fire, while you prepare it or whatever, so that it marinates a little bit too. I'm not going to do it like that. I prefer the meat like this. Our meat is already chopped. Now we're going to fry it with very little oil, no oil. And you can put the pineapple on top of your meat. Even here to that, the chugo is releasing. You are super lucky if you have a trompo. So then we are going to place bistec by bistec, already marinated and even on top. The whole pineapple just peeled so that it releases its juice as well, while we can go heating our tortillas, ready our pastor. Our al pastor meat, and well, now we can enjoy some delicious al pastor tacos with their pineapple and everything else. I hope you love them as much as we do. What a delight. Really? This is delicious, Mustajones. Thank you very much for watching us. See you next time.